Soha and welcome back to my channel and also welcome to the third episode of Vlogmas. So if you guys are unfamiliar with Vlogmas, then it is a series that I have started on my channel 1 week ago, and I'll be uploading videos from 14th to 25th of December on my regular upload schedule. And these videos are not going to be the vlogs, but these are going to be my regular content but more of a Christmas related. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys 4 different types of card ideas. Christmas edition. Yes, this is a Christmas edition. So as of this pandemic situation, most of you guys are not able to celebrate Christmas with your loved ones. So these cards are perfect for these types of greetings. And trust me guys, these cards are going to be awesome and very easy. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and also follow me on my Instagram. And yeah, let's get started. For this first card, I am using this dark green poster paint from DOMS. Then I am also using this red poster paint from DOMS. Then for the brushes, this is my thinnest brush that I am using, and I have done an unboxing video for it. So if you guys want to watch it, then the link is in the descriptions and in the cards. So this card is perfect for friends and families. So the first one is just going to say Merry Christmas across the center of the card, and it seems like it has been a trend lately to have letters created out of botanical elements, and my inspiration for this card is Planet Based Brides on YouTube. So first I sketched out the words Merry Christmas in big block letters, and then as moving to the top, I made trees. These cards turned out to be cool and amazing, and also one of my favorite cards from this whole video. Actually, there are 2 of my favorite cards from this whole video. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. So as I said you guys that I am using the dark green poster paints from DOMS here. First of all, I filled more than half letters with the green color, and then I took a dry brush with a very little paint and then just made some upstrokes and filled in the letters. I hope that it makes sense, but as you can see in the video, you guys can understand it. And then I made trees from there. Then I thought that this card was looking very empty, so I added these red Christmas cherries in different shapes and also some red spots all over the page where it was looking empty, and this card is almost finished and looked awesome. Try this card out. It is super easy and very fun to make. And guys, our first card is done, and look, my nails kinda match with the card. For this second card, I am using this dark blue poster paint from DOMS. Then I am also using these watercolor cakes from DOMS and my thinnest brush. So this card is a snowflakes card, and I thought that these snowflakes will look very cute on this card as of this holiday season, which is Christmas. So first I made a plus sign in the center of the card, then I made an X on the plus sign, and our star is already done. Then I just added some designs, some spots and some diamond shapes, and the snowflakes was done. I also made more small stars and snowflakes all over the page. And I made the snowflakes with light blue color and added dark blue paint in some areas. And yeah, in the end the card was looking so beautiful and it is very easy, so anyone can make it. And yeah, our second card is done. Perfect for this Christmas season. For this third card, I used my watercolor cakes from DOMS. Then I also used this dark green poster paint from DOMS. And I also used the red color of the poster paint and my thinnest brush. So this card is my most favorite card from this whole video, and in this I am painting a Christmas wreath. So first of all I took the dark green color and I outlined the hotel with it. Then I used my light green color from the watercolor cakes and gave a bit shading of dark green to the leaves. I also made a bow in the bottom center of the wreath with the red color, and I also made some cherries in the wreath with the red color. And yeah, it looks so beautiful in the end and super duper easy. Just draw a circle and some leaves, also some cherries, and that's it. After the cherries was done, I wrote Merry Christmas using the black poster paint in the center of the wreath, and yeah, our card is almost done. This card really gives me Christmassy vibes and also looks very beautiful in the lights in my background. So for this fourth and the last card of this video, I used this black poster paint from DOMS. I also used this orange poster paint from DOMS. Then I also used my watercolor cakes from DOMS and my thinnest brush. Also my black pen. So this is the cutest card from this video, and I'm painting here a cute little penguin. So first I made a rough sketch of the penguin, then I started with the black paint in the arms, then I painted his woolen cap on the head with the orange, and then I used my dark blue from the watercolor cakes and painted his muffler. Then I painted his beak and foots with the orange poster paint. Then I outlined the whole penguin with the black poster paint and also gave some details to the woolen cap and the muffler. Then using my black pen I made his eyes, and then inside the penguin I wrote warm wishes with the black pen in calligraphy and all caps font. I I also made an icy background behind the penguin with the light blue and the dark blue color to give it a really Christmassy look. And yeah, our fourth and our last card is done. It is a very cute way to make these types of cards and gift it to your friends and families. And these are all the 4 cards which we made in this video. So guys, I really hope that you all enjoyed this video, and if you love this video then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon besides it. Also share and comment down below which one is your favorite. My favorite is probably these two. And yeah, meet you in my next video. So take care of yourselves and bye guys.